Hi, Andy Amrine and your tip of the day. Today we're talking about dryer vents, dryer cleaning. Are you aware of how many house fires are caused by all the lint that builds up in your dryer vent pipe? Whether you have a flexible one, whether you have a rigid one, all dryers create lint. It's one thing to clean the lint tap on top of the dryer, but also you should be cleaning the vent pipe from the inside and also the vent hood that's on the outside itself. You can either just disconnect, reach a hand up in there, have a brush going up in there, put your shot back up in there, or they make dryer vent cleaning kits itself. And with these kits, they attach to your drill and it'll go deep up into the dryer vent to pull all that lint and debris out. You can do this from the inside and from the outside to keep that lint from building up. One, that's going to make your dryer work a lot more efficient. When it gets too clogged and the dryer can't vent, sometimes you're going to have to run your dryer 2 or 3 times to get the stuff dry in it, whether it's the towels, the sheets, or the clothes on it. So if you're having a hard time getting your clothing dry, very well will be that the lint is just too built up into the dryer itself. But also, the lint from dryer makes a great fire starter. So if you're a Boy Scout or a Girl Scout, you're always collecting lint and using that as your fire starter. And it's the same thing. If it gets too hot, you have too much lint, that's when you're going to get a combustion fire behind that dryer itself. So a great indoor project. Take you 15-20 minutes to clean all the lint from the back of the dryer. So thank you for watching our 5-minute tips, and we'll catch you on the next one.